I openly embrace this stage of life. And you have to do it. You have to fight a little bit to do it because there's so much coming at us that says we should be invisible now. We should get off the stage now. We should sit down now. And so I want to be one of those voices that shows that you can actually be doing something else. I graduated from Harvard Business School. I worked at the World Bank. I've had my own business. So it's been quite a journey. Easily close to half of the people have not set aside enough to retire. So my advice and what I'm learning is, I have the expression, I say sometimes, I have to get off my throne. I try to pull together what I call a casserole of interesting work. And some of it I don't like, but some of it where I can, that's the focus, because I know that at my age, I'm 68 now, that the likelihood of me getting a 9-to-5, sort of traditional job is unlikely. How do I, what I call small up, so downsizing in a way where I am clear about what I need to feel grounded and supported? How do I think in terms of living, maybe there are a group of women living Golden Girl style. If we don't start kind of making that more normal, then your money is not going to go very far at all. Different people, we're gonna have different things that make us feel like, okay, this is my happiness. I'm a big flower person. That's my happiness. Somebody like, why would you buy flowers? Because that for me is something that beauty, I feel supported by that.